Hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily job sharing series. Today we have couple of jobs. So before that, you need to check out this disclaimer, which means whatever job links I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your end. So we have a freshers opening today as well. So this is the first opening that we have, which is for the head for cybersecurity or cybersecurity manager. This is in Riyadh, which is a foreign country, and this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Check out the things. You can pause this video and check, right? Next is for freshers, right? This is for junior cybersecurity analyst, and the other roles, right, by which you can apply. Check out, and the other eligibility, right? Next opening is 4+ years of experience required for the red teamer specialist. Ahmedabad, Mumbai is the location. The other key responsibility, the other key requirement. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Next opening is of Pakistan. Their PM is itself looking for the job. Next one is security tester, Hyderabad, 3 to 6 years of experience required. Immediate joiners only, and this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next is SOC Analyst, Hyderabad, L1, right? They are things which are required, and this is for the SOC, right? And this L1 is basically like you can see L1 experience is like freshers can apply, and this is Hyderabad based job, right? Here, the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. So it's a Gmail, just authenticate from your end, and it's a offline interview, so you need to be present there. Next opening is cybersecurity leader. Open position is all what you see here. Location is all those things. Expertise area is this. 5+ years of experience required, and Orisag is the location mail ID on which you can apply. Next is security engineer. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Right. Next opening is all about this is what we have. The other links where you can apply for the internship where you will get 100% internship. Right. So that's what we have today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.